Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a detailed review of the QCY MeloBuds Pro Active Noise Cancellation Bluetooth Earbuds. So we will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of QCY MeloBuds Pro, you will find the earbuds inside the charging case, some additional silicone ear tips, and a USB Type-C charging cable. Talking about the design and build quality, the MeloBuds Pro comes in an eye-catching combination of the matte and glossy finish. It looks beautiful as well as quite premium, especially considering its price segment. The earbuds are quite lightweight. The silicone tips are soft and comfortable, and because of the rounded body and contours, it does not exert any pressure on your ears. So you will be able to wear the QCY MeloBuds Pro for longer duration without facing any issue. The charging case is also quite small, but still it comes with a 350 mAh battery. We got an LED indicator, a USB Type-C port for charging it, but it does not come with the wireless charging capability. The magnet inside the charging case is quite strong, and once you put the earbuds inside, they won't fall out of it easily even if you shake it violently. Talking about the audio quality, the MeloBuds Pro is quite impressive as it comes with a 12mm driver along with compatibility with LDAC codec as well as high-res audio certification. The audio quality is very well balanced, so it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will be happy with the audio output of MeloBuds Pro. As expected, the LDAC codec works only with the Android smartphones, and you will have to activate it manually from the smartphone application. The MeloBuds Pro comes with the QCY application, using which you can perform many different kinds of tasks. You can check the battery status, you can pause the music right from the smartphone application, you can select any of the preset for the equalizer, you can even turn on the 360-degree spatial audio, but then the LDAC will not work, and still it is pretty impressive that MeloBuds Pro comes with the 360 spatial audio, especially considering the price segment of these earbuds. If you want, you can even create your custom equalizer from the QCY application. When it comes to noise cancellation, we got the option for transparency as well as the noise cancellation. For transparency, we got multiple level of the transparency level that you can select based on your preference, and for the noise cancellation you can select between the indoor or commuting, and for both of these you get the option to select the noise cancellation level as well. And then we got the adaptive noise cancellation that smartly adjusts the level of noise cancellation based on the ambient sound. And the noise cancellation performance of the QCY MeloBuds Pro is quite impressive as it can reduce the noise up to 46 decibel. In my experience, it was able to remove majority of the ambient sound that also improved the audio quality and provided a better listening experience. The MeloBuds Pro comes with the option for single tap, double tap and triple tap for the touch gesture, and for each of these you can assign a different action and command for both left and right earbuds. So theoretically you can perform 6 different kinds of commands and actions using the tap gesture on MeloBuds Pro. You can also locate your earbuds using the Find Headset option that makes a high-pitched noise from the earbuds that helps you in locating its position. The MeloBuds Pro comes with wear detection feature, so every time when you remove the earbuds from your ears, the music will be paused, and once you put them back in your ears, the music will start playing by itself, and this feature works perfectly every single time. The MeloBuds Pro comes with Bluetooth 5.3 along with 80 millisecond latency. So if you turn on the gaming mode and use the MeloBuds Pro while playing games on your smartphone or your tablet, then the latency will be very low and you won't face any issue while playing games with MeloBuds Pro or watching movies, as everything will be in sync and spontaneous. It also comes with a nice sleeping mode feature that disables the touch gestures on MeloBuds Pro, and this is a very useful feature if you're planning to use your MeloBuds Pro when you are sleeping. And then of course you can turn on the LDAC and also the multi-point connection that allows you to have simultaneous connection between 2 devices with your MeloBuds Pro. And of course you can update the software of your MeloBuds Pro as well using the QCY smartphone application. Talking about the battery life, it is also quite impressive as the MeloBuds Pro provides up to 7.5 hours of listening experience, and you can charge the MeloBuds Pro with the help of the charging case 3 times more. So you will get around 30 hours of total playtime on your MeloBuds Pro. Of course, it will depend whether you are using the noise cancellation, multi-point connection, LDAC, and how loud is the volume. But still, overall the battery performance is quite impressive. And once the battery goes down, you can charge it using the case. The MeloBuds Pro comes with total 6 microphones powered by the AI algorithm, so you will be able to make crystal clear audio calls from your MeloBuds Pro as it blocks the ambient sound and picks up the voices accurately. These 6 microphones also contribute in the active noise cancellation to provide a better overall audio call experience on your MeloBuds Pro. Overall, the QCY MeloBuds Pro is a very nice noise cancellation earbuds, especially considering its price segment, as it comes with support for LDAC, high resolution audio certification, up to 7 hours of battery life, 360-degree spatial audio, multi-point connection, 6 microphones for clear audio calls, and active noise cancellation, and some nice and useful smartphone application-based features. So if you're planning to buy a noise cancellation earbuds for yourself, then QCY MeloBuds Pro is a nice option for you for sure. If you are interested, I have shared the link to buy the QCY MeloBuds Pro in the description of this video, so do not forget to check it. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.